Hello everyone, and in this video I will unbox Goodie Box May. This is one of my favorite moments when I'm tired from work and tired in general, and here at home something very pleasant is waiting for me. Something very pleasant indeed, and what a positive yellow color. I think it's meant to remind us of the sun. And a cool combination of colors, purple and yellow of course. Here we have a leaflet, and we know that the topic of this box is a first hint of summer. Let's look what's waiting for us. I will say immediately that the box looks very full. Quite full, as you can see. And product number 1. This is a small bottle of 30 milliliters from Food Lab Co. As you can guess from the name, this product is for your feet, and this is an exfoliating serum. On the leaflet it gives some strange information that the full-size product is 100 milliliters, which costs 20 euro. But then it gives the information that 30 milliliters costs 13.50 euro. Which does not make sense. I will check it out in the internet if you can buy it in this size. But otherwise it's much cheaper than 13.50 euro. So yes, this one is from Food Lab & Co. The instructions for use is that you should put the serum on the hard parts of your feet skin, so I think on your heels and some toes, and then you just leave it in for 1 minute, and then you scrub it with a that scrub for your feet, that kind of stone, and then you rinse it off and your feet are smooth again. The next one is from Rituals. I love Rituals. So this one is Ritual of Namaste. This one is an exfoliator for your face, which should brighten your face. The instructions for use are that you apply it on the wet and clean skin and then rinse it off. But because it's an exfoliator, I would advise not confuse it with a cleanser and not use it too often. Let's smell it. As you can also see, it's a full-size product, a 75 milliliter. Will I dare to smell it? Oh, it's actually open. Yeah, but of course, if you open the box, you see that it's scratched. So I think that's the way how you can see if the product was opened before you. I think it has a slight orange smell, but for example on the box I see that it smells with bamboo and moringa, or it has those ingredients. And also because this one is an exfoliator, you see small particles. First, when I applied it on my hand, I thought that it's just a cream or cleanser, but now I see that there are small particles, so it's really an exfoliator for your face. And here we receive an eyelash serum from Lucine Paris. First I thought it's a mascara sample, but no. This one is an eyelash serum, and the size is it's not very small for this kind of product. It's 10 milliliter, and you should not do it too often. Once per week is enough. This one is from Human & Kind. It's a hand scrub, but it's not only for your hands, it's for any hard skin on your body. The elbows, again the feet. Unlike the first product we've had, this scrub, you don't have to scrub it with a special stone, you can just do it with your hands. This hand scrub smells with raspberry, like all the Human & Kind products which I've received so far. It should smell very delicious. I will not open it because it's sealed for a present. On the tube you can also see 2-in-1. I was thinking about what is 2, and now I know. I think it's a scrub and moisturizer. So here you have 2. This one I don't know if you recognize from the back, but it's from Moshi Moshi Mind. Let's see what's waiting for us inside. I think it's some yoga thing. Oh my god, that's the stone I was talking about. That's the scrub for your feet. That's perfect from the Goodie Box, that they thought about it, that people don't have those feet stones. Perfect, thank you very much. Very useful thing for me. Yes, this one is Mind Pumic Stone. Mind Pumic Stone. I don't know what it is. It's not very expensive, 11 euro, but I think for this kind of product it's maybe is expensive. It doesn't smell, it's a stone, I'm very happy with it. It will go with this exfoliator, the product number 1. The last product in this box is this face sheet mask. It's from Tony Moly, and as you can see on the package it says I'm a pomegranate. So it's with pomegranate extract, and also you can see that it's for elasticity of your skin. You should apply this mask for 20-30 minutes and do not rinse it off. I also see in the leaflet that we could get one of the 3 masks. There was a nutrition, I'm avocado, elasticity, I'm pomegranate, that's the one I've received, and skin purifying, I'm seaweed. I think I know the way how Goodiebox chooses which product to give to you if there is a variety of choices. When I subscribed for the box, I filled in my beauty profile. It takes just 1 minute. It's not obligatory, so you don't have to. But I think if you fill in the profile, they can choose the products more specifically. For example, I don't have any problems with my skin, so for me a purifying mask will be of no use. So I have this elasticity. The total value of this Goodiebox is not that much. It's, I think, more than 70. But still, I'm very satisfied with the products. I loved almost all of them. A very good Goodiebox. I will see you in the next video. And for now, have a good day or night.